Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, the channel that helps you to fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll explain how to fix the Beko E17 washing machine error. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell and leave us a like too. This helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you, and you never know when you're going to need eSpares. Also, leave us a note in the comments to let us know if you solved the error. The E17 error means that there's been an overload of foam detected in your drum. This is generally caused from two things or a combination of both. The first one is that you've put too much detergent in your soap drawer, so you need to use less, or you've used bleach to clean the drum. We don't recommend using bleach to clean the machine for this reason, of it causing excessive foam. Instead, we suggest you try our very own eSpares washing machine and dishwasher cleaner, which has loads of fantastic reviews from our customers and is available on the eSpares website now. See our video here for more about it. A common error over the last year or so is that people are using their usual amount of detergent into the drawer and adding fabric fresheners into the drum too. This is not correct. The addition of the fabric fresheners alongside your detergent is actually doubling up on your detergent. If you are currently doing this mix of detergents and fabric fresheners, then you need to revert to just using one of those, or use half the detergent and half your fabric fresheners so that it equates to just one dose. If your machine has a drum clean cycle, just as we have here on our machine, then simply press that and it will run a full cycle that will have a duration of 3 hours. It is important that you let this cycle run for the entire 3 hours. If your machine does not have the drum clean cycle, then you will need to run a 90-degree wash with no clothes inside the drum to help clean out the excess foam. And there you have it, how to solve your Beko E17 washing machine error. Hopefully now you've removed all of the excess foam from your drum and you can use your washing machine again. Now that you've fixed your Beko E17 error, why not get to know some of the other possible error codes that may appear on your washing machine? Check out our playlist of Beko error codes down here and check out everything you need to know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our eSpares channel and like the video if it helped you. Thanks for watching.